Hello students, this video lecture is for class 8th, subject science, lesson 2nd and part 3rd. And in this video we are going to discuss about major groups of microbes. So let's start. Microbes are classified into 5 groups according to their characteristics. So in the order of gradual evolution in body organization, they are viruses, bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoa. A virus is a biological agent that reproduces inside living cells of the other organisms. Viruses are not classified in any kingdom as they are not really alive. Bacteria, fungi, and algae are included in plant kingdom, whereas protozoa are a part of animal kingdom. The mode of nutrition in these microorganisms is either autotrophic or heterotrophic. Most of the algae and protozoa, like Euglena, possesses chlorophyll and make their own food. Thus, these are autotrophic. Certain protozoa, fungi, and bacteria are heterotrophic, as they obtain their food from dead, decaying organic matter. Some other microorganisms obtain their food from other living beings. Thus, they are parasites. Now, let's see what this paragraph tells us. In the first line, it tells us that virus is actually not a living thing because it does not contain any cellular structure which is something similar to animal cell or plant cell, whereas bacteria, fungi, and algae shows properties of a plant cell. So these are included in plant kingdom, whereas protozoa shows properties such as of a animal cell. So it is included in animal kingdom. Now let's talk about mode of nutrition of these microbes process two types of nutrition. One is autotrophic, which means they make their own food with the help of chlorophyll, sunlight, or heterotrophic, which means they are dependent on someone else for their food. So most of algae and protozoa process possesses chlorophyll, and thus they make their own food, so they are called autotrophic. Certain protozoa, fungi, and bacteria are heterotrophic, as they depend on food from dead and decaying organic matter. Some other microorganisms obtain food from other living beings, so they are called as parasites. Now let's see their size range. First, viruses. In singular we will call it virus. It doesn't contain any cellular structure and it is the smallest among all these. Its size range from 15 to 275 micron. Notice micron, and others are all in micron. Bacteria, it's a unicellular from 0.2 to 100 microns. Fungi, in singular it's called as fungus, unicellular or multicellular, and size range from 2 to 10 microns. Algae, or in singular alga, they are mostly multicellular and size range from 1 micron to several meters. Protozoa, or in singular protozoan, they don't have cellular structure and size range from 2 to 200 microns. And bacteria, in singular bacterium. Singular form of bacteria is called as bacterium. So these are the size range of the cell of these microorganisms. So this is enough for today's video. In the next video we will be talking about viruses. So thank you.